Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate browser testing with BrowserStack, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the BrowserStack website. Sign up for an account if you don't already have one. Log in to your BrowserStack account. Familiarize yourself with the main dashboard and available options. Choose the type of testing you want to perform: live, automate, or app live. For browser automation, select the Automate option. Review the supported frameworks for automated testing, such as Selenium or Cypress. Install the necessary dependencies for your chosen framework on your local machine. Set up your test scripts in the appropriate programming language, like Python or JavaScript. Include the BrowserStack credentials in your test scripts, which can be found on your dashboard. Write test cases that specify the browser, operating system, and devices you want to automate. Utilize BrowserStack's capabilities to configure your tests, such as setting screen resolutions and mobile devices. Run a local testing server if you want to include your local applications in your tests. Execute your tests by running the script from your local machine or your preferred IDE. Monitor the real-time results on the BrowserStack dashboard as your tests run. Review the screenshots and videos generated during the test execution for analysis. Debug any failures by checking the logs and identifying issues in your test scripts. Reiterate and refine your test cases based on the results you observe. Consider integrating your tests into a CI/CD pipeline for seamless execution. Schedule your tests to run regularly to ensure continuous validation. Once your tests are refined, commit them to your version control system for future deployment. Explore additional features in BrowserStack, like automated testing integrations with other tools. Leverage BrowserStack's documentation and support resources for any advanced configurations. Continue learning to optimize your automation strategy and achieve the best testing outcomes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.